So you wanna be the master of Pokemon. Understand the secrets and have some fun. So you wanna be the master of Pokemon. Do you have the skills to be number one? Number one!
Let's do it.
I wanna take the ultimate step and find the courage to be bold, yeah. To risk it all and not forget the lessons that I hold.
I wanna go where no one's been, far beyond the ground.
To learn the way to take command. Use the power that's in my head.
We all live in a Pokemon world. I wanna be the greatest,
Master of them all.
we all live in a Pokemon world.
Put myself to the test, be better than all the rest.
Come on, what?
Every day of